Hi everyone, thanks for watching what I've read today video. I'm Kedi, I work for KADOKAWA Corporation and I'm in charge of international licensing. The book I'd like to recommend today is a cookbook. The title is Midnight Pastry Recipes. After the world goes to sleep, I head for the kitchen with a slightly buoyant gait. Everyone is already dreaming. The main character is just me and the recipe for today's pastry. On nights when I don't want to think about anything else, I bake a cake and take a break. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your apron, and let the fun begin. If you have any query or an offer, please feel free to contact us. You can also check our website to find more titles. The URL is https://www.kadokawa.co.jp/. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bye bye.